Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a pie chart on the Canva web. So here I've already opened the canva.com and I've already opened a blank design. And to easily add a pie chart, you just need to click on the Canva assistant at the bottom right corner, this one, or use a shortcut by clicking on the slash on your keyboard. And here just click on the show more in the recommendation action. Scroll down until you find the pie chart. So click on this to add a chart. And just like that, the chart will be added. And to edit like the item or the data, you can just click on, for example, like this. You can just change it into the data that you want. Okay, you can also change the settings. If you want to change the format value as number, just click on this box like this, for example. And here you can also add data. In here, you can upload a data from your Google Sheet or CSV data. And to change the color of the pie chart, you just need to click on the color box at the top and change the color to the one you want. Okay, so that's a tutorial from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.